Wendy, and I'm here to promote beautiful short hairstyles. I appreciate my returning subscribers. I appreciate my new subscribers. Welcome you all to Wendy.
Am I scared? Nah. I'm scared. I'm scared.
This could be you.
Are you okay? Say less.
Hello.
So can you tell the people why you got an LBYL language? What does it mean? Right?
Yes, it means to let love be a language.
Wow, I love that. And why was it
It's a new chapter. When I first started locking my hair, I was still trying to figure out who I was, and I was in a rebellious phase. And now that I'm cutting it, I know who I am. So now it's no longer about just becoming, but standing in who I am. Okay.
There you go.
I can open my
You
eyes.
can have
now.
a look. You can have a look.
Oh. It's really quiet.
Look at his brows.
Thank you. Oh my gosh. Ah!
Look at her friends, guys.
Oh
How do
my
you feel?
gosh. I feel great. Are you kidding me?
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah.